That sound, it's the heartbreak of every vinyl collector. You invested in a perfect turntable, you have your favorite records, but your speaker is betraying the music. It's flat. It's lifeless. It's missing the soul. But what if I told you the secret to unlocking your vinyl's true potential isn't a $5,000 upgrade, but the right speaker? Today, we're counting down the 5 legendary turntable speakers that are causing a frenzy in 2025. One of them will shock you. Let's find the perfect one for you. Starting at number 1. KEF LS50 Meta. Best overall. Just like many others, I'm a huge fan of the incredible LS50 Meta, built to last a lifetime, with a unique sound texture that is rich and detailed. KEF's bookshelf speaker sets the bar really high when it comes to speakers for record players. The vented aluminum dome tweeter and the magnesium aluminum alloy cone woofer blend magnificently to create an enveloping soundscape that's transparent and defined, with depth that can only be upgraded with an equally excellent subwoofer, like the iconic KEF KC62. Making the most of KEF's patented technologies, like metamaterial absorption technology and the carefully designed cabinet, the LS50 Meta can be an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced analog music lovers. It's really hard to find anything wrong with the audio quality offered by the LS50 Meta. The sound is rich, deep, and immersive, recreated with sonic transparency that'll please even the most demanding audiophiles. The soundscape is detailed and engaging across the entire audio spectrum. The LS50 Meta is powerful enough to maintain a balanced tonality even at high volumes. The metamaterial tech they developed might well be the future of high fidelity. If I had to find a downside, it'd probably be the lower frequencies. They're there and sound pleasant overall, but at this price range, some speakers enhance lower frequencies better than the LS50 Meta. Number 2. Elac Debut 2.0 B5.2. Best budget. There's something magical about the Elac B5.2. Widely renowned as one of the best budget-friendly speakers on the market, this bookshelf speaker has nothing to do with entry-level except its price. The sound coming out of a pair of Debut 2.0 B5.2 is warm and detailed in such a way that it makes every record sound timeless. The purity of analog music is magnified by the careful blend of frequencies, pristinely reproduced by the speaker. From subtle transients to powerful crescendos, everything reaches your ears with impressive clarity and perfect sound imaging. In summary, if you have $300 to spare, look no further than the Elac B5.2. It'll take your analog sound system to a whole new level. The Debut 2.0 B5.2 speakers perform brilliantly regardless of the music genre they reproduce, providing a pristine soundscape and a balanced, pleasant listening experience. The B5.2 is remarkable in its neutrality. While a good sub would add warmth and vibrancy, even when on their own, these speakers can create an excellent sonic texture, ideal for audiophiles but also audio professionals looking for great passive speakers. If you consider that they cost only $300, then it's a no-brainer to me. The Elac B5.2 will be an excellent addition to your hi-fi system and will no doubt upgrade your listening experience. Number 3. Fluance Ai81. Best wireless. For a long time, I was skeptical about powered speakers, and especially powered floor standers. That was until I got my hands on the amazing Fluance Ai81. Now, I must admit, this wireless speaker can be a great option for vinyl collectors who value simplicity but still want a great-sounding floor stander. This 2-way, 3-driver powered speaker comes with two 6.5-inch woven glass fiber drivers that can reach as low as 30 Hz, complemented by a 1-inch neodymium tweeter that brings to life a vibrant and spacious soundstage. Bluetooth and analog connectivities are spot on across all devices, whether you connect it to your TV, tablet, or turntable, which makes it a great option for those who want a pair of multi-purpose speakers. At roughly $500 a pair, the Fluance Ai81 is a bargain and undoubtedly the best wireless floor-standing speaker you can get at this price. But it's not all bells and whistles. Audiophiles won't appreciate the coloration or the blurry spatial imaging, and there's some perceived vibration on the high end, too, something I haven't noticed in other Fluance models. Still, for the casual listener, this is fantastic value for money. Number 4. Klipsch The Nines. Want a set of speakers with a connection panel dressed to the nines? That's not why Klipsch named its latest set of powered speakers, it's because the nines are bigger than the 5s and the 7s, but it's fitting. And during our time with the nines, we found Klipsch knocked it out of the park. Our tests included hooking the speakers up to an Audio-Technica at LP140XP direct drive turntable. While the speaker's built-in preamp was bested by a standalone Art DJ Pre 2 phono preamp, we found the convenience of using the Nines as is to be very compelling. We're also fans of these speakers' grounding peg, so your music won't have to compete with an annoying hum. In our listening area, a 15 x 20-foot room, the speakers filled the room with well-balanced sound. Though it has a subwoofer output, we never considered plugging one in thanks to the bass response of each speaker's massive woofer. While they worked well out of the box, we were able to make EQ tweaks using Klipsch's mobile app. Number 5. Edifier R1280DBs. The R1280DBs typify Edifier's mission to bring excellent value to the world of audio, and are a great entry point if you've gotten your first turntable. The speakers feature a multi-driver audio system with a subwoofer output in case you need more bass, several connectivity options, and Bluetooth support. A pair EQ knobs on the right speaker allow you to tweak the R1280DB's bass and treble to your taste, which is a feature most speakers lack. Edifier even includes a remote, so you can switch inputs or adjust the speaker's volume from across the room, and 3 sets of cables so you can begin using them immediately. For $150, you're not going to get the same quality of sound that you would get from the PSB Alpha IQs, but those speakers are almost 10 times as expensive. That said, in our experience, Edifier speakers have always performed very well for their price. And there you have it. The 5 speakers that can truly make your vinyl collection sing. Whether you're an audiophile or just starting your journey, the perfect match is on this list. Ready to transform your listening experience? All the links to check the latest prices and buy these speakers for yourself are waiting for you in the video description below. If this guide helped you find your sound, do me a huge favor and like the video, share it with a fellow vinyl lover, and subscribe for more straight talk audio advice. Until next time, keep spinning.